I want to introduce to you the idea of parentheses. When you put parentheses around a part of code in PowerShell, it's telling PowerShell to do what's in the parentheses first and then do the command, whatever other commands are around it. It's exactly the same way that we use it in an algebra formula, for example. You do what's in the parentheses first, and then you do the rest of the stuff. And so it works the same way. We have not really looked at the compare object command yet. That's next. But you can see that when I did this, I was actually comparing two files, and I can't just compare the files directly because those files are, actually what I want to compare is the content in those files. So I have to get the content of that file and then get the content of another file, and then I can compare those two contents to see if they're the same. So that is one use of these parentheses. We'll see that in the next video, in the next section on comparing objects. So just get used to the idea of these parentheses being there. Let's do one real quick just to see it in action. So I'm going to do get content and then d desktop shopping list .txt, and I'm going to put parentheses around that whole thing. And then let's take that output and pipe it to sort object descending. And whoops, it looks like I did something. Oh, I didn't spell sort correctly. I can see that in my output. SEOT object. Yeah, okay. Let's try that again. Sort object descending, and now I've got my shopping list in descending order. Now in this case it would have worked without the parentheses, but I just want to introduce you to the idea that those parentheses say do this thing first and then do everything else.